Recording.
Next, we're going to work on the thumb CMC joint at the base of the metacarpal. We're going to work on restoring CMC extension and CMC abduction. So extension is in the frontal plane. It's concave, moving on convex. Abduction is in the sagittal plane. Now we have convex, moving on concave. So if I show you on the skeleton first, the same position, I'm going to get my lateral key grip on the metacarpal. Then I'm going to stabilize the carpals with my opposite hand. And as I do thumbs up to go up, extension, thumbs up, the metacarpal needs to glide radially as well, or in this case towards my nose, as I stabilize the trapezium. When I move to abduction, I'm going to abduct off the palm and drive the metacarpal into my hip. So if I exaggerate with my arm, I'm going to drive it into my hip for convex, moving on concave. So what that looks like on a real arm, if we work on extension first, thumbs up, go up, I'm going to sandwich her metacarpal, bring her to her end range, stabilize trapezium. In this case, I'm going to use my thumb, and then I'm going to drive it almost towards my right shoulder. Thumbs up, go up. There's her end range. I'm going to drive it with the tip of my PIP joint towards my opposite shoulder. Abduction is a bit more awkward. I'm going to use a very, very similar grip on her metacarpal, but now I'm going to drive her proximal metacarpal into my left hip. So I'm going to abduct her. Again, I'll exaggerate with my elbow. I'm going to abduct, and then I'm going to drive the metacarpal into my hip. I'm getting sloppy so you can see the motion. Mob, mob, mob. I stabilize. It looks small, like so. Good.